Hi everyone. The topic for this talk is applying Lambda architecture in machine learning realm. So let me cover what all will be the agenda for today's talk. So first we'll start with what are the different feature types that are there in any mature information retrieval system. So one of the set of features that we have is product features, which are usually slow changing. So these involve textual attributes of the products and some of the visual features which can be derived from the images of the product. The next set of features is user features, which is includes the user persona, user geography, and affinities of a user towards a particular brand, color, and other attributes. Finally, the third type of features are the fast-changing features, which become crucial in governing the business metrics. Some of those include the pricing, offers, and availability. It is important to note that price and availability determine the performance of a product to a large extent, and hence they need to be as fresh as possible. So once we cover the features, different feature types, we will go into the different processing layers that are present in a IR system. So we start with the batch layer, then there is indexing layer and the real-time layer. So batch layer is something where the features are pre-computed in a offline environment. In the indexing layer, we try to get near real-time updates from the source systems as the feature changes. Next, we have real-time layer where we try to fetch the features as fresh as possible from the corresponding source systems. So the distinguishing factors between these layers is the reaction time to the feature updates. Now that we have different kinds of layers, including batch, indexing, and real-time, there is a requirement for cascaded scoring. So bulk of the scoring can be done at batch layer, but as we saw that some of the features will be changing in real time, we need to introduce a freshness aspect. But the trade-off here is that the just-in-time scoring of such features might be costly. So as we saw, right, different kinds of features and different scoring layers, we have a trade-off in the scoring, and we want to choose the right layer for scoring a particular kind of feature. So in terms to take home this point, what we would do is we will cover two case studies from Flipkart context. So first case study that we will cover is a case of answering a search query where we have these three layers and most of the stuff can be done offline. But we will see what all attributes matter while issuing a search, and do we even need a real-time scoring. In the second case study, we will study the ranking of products. So given a context of a query or given a context of another product, can we rank the set of products? Here, it's quite intuitive that real-time context will matter a lot since the user's real-time context. So what the user has in mind in the current session will come quite handy. So in addition to the batch computed scoring, we would need to adjust as per the real-time, the current context of the user. So since the catalog is quite dynamic in nature, we need to react to updates quite fast. Hence, in both these case studies, we will see how the freshness of attributes decides which layer to be which layers do they come under. Thank you.